Welcome back, guys. So today we're going to be doing the headband wig, and I hope I'm not too late because this has been circulating for a couple of weeks now, and I'm excited to get you guys a tutorial how to do this. So I'll be using the bundles I created from the previous video. I'll be leaving a link for you to go watch how to get your bundles done. It cost me almost about £16, and I'm reusing these bundles, guys. So if you want to save some coins, please do watch that video and get to know how to do these bundles. I'm a little bit under the weather, guys, so my voice sounds a bit funny, and I hope you can bear with me. So these are the tools we're gonna need, and that's basically it. So what I'm doing already is I'm stitching the comfort wig headband onto the dome wig cap. So I'll be stitching securely onto where I'll stitch twice onto the dome cap, not stitching on the elastic band but just on the net, right guys? And then I'll flip it towards the front to create the headband look, and we'll go ahead and stitch in our bundles. So please do stay tuned and enjoy the background music. If you are new to my channel, you are so much welcome. Do not forget to subscribe and hit the notification button to be notified every time I upload a new video. So guys, this is it. I'm done stitching them on, and I'm gonna turn it in the front, as you can see. And as I told you before, these headbands comes with the velcro already, so there's no need to stitch on any velcro. I think it's pretty simple and very easy to do this. So we're gonna start marking our lines to start sewing on our hair bundles. So that's basically it. And I tried using my marker. I think it's run out, so I ended up using a concealer. That looks a bit messy, but it get the job done. So yeah, you can use a concealer or any kind of marker just to draw your lines, guys, and it's pretty easy like that. So I'm just gonna start by drawing my lines where I'm gonna stitch on the wig with. You can stitch any way you think is handy to you. There is no formula, I guess, when stitching on wig, but all you need to do is stay all lie flat and it's not bumpy. So this is the way I'm doing it for today. It looks kind of messy, guys, but it's just gonna get the work done. there we have it, and I'm just gonna brush through and single plait them just to get some curls. I think this will look fantastic in curls, so that's what we're gonna do. So I'm gonna go ahead with Tresemme, pour into the hot water, and I'll repeat this step twice with the hot water. The first one with the conditioner, and then the second one without any conditioner, just to rinse the conditioned water out of it. And then I'll go ahead to rinse more again with the hot water from the tap. So I'm gonna leave this overnight to dry, and we'll come back to see how the finished look. This is it. So I've taken out the braids and I left just 2 of the strands just to start with it. I just felt like I should start with one or 2 braids in the front. So I'm gonna go ahead and stitch inside of the front, in the middle, wig pins, and then I'll stitch one also at the back. So that's all I'm gonna be doing now, so that we can secure our wig on our head. Remember, it's a headband wig, so it needs much support. I think at this point I can leave my hairband just like that. Let me look in the mirror there. I could actually wear it like this. I intentionally left these braids right in the front. Just gonna see how this one goes. Apparently I can wear it as it is. I just intended to put on this hairband I got from Amazon. I've got a couple of colors. I've got pink, these ones, so we're gonna try on and see. Let me try move this a little bit there.